Carolyn, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a love bug for Valentine's Day. First, you're going to need these colors. I'm going to use a pink, a red, and a peach color. I'm also going to use my black Sharpie, but you could also use a pencil as well. So let's get started. What you're going to first do is draw a circle for the head. So I'm going to draw the circle about right here. Next, you're going to start about the middle of the head and do up and around and across. Then you're going to draw 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw the antenna. I'm going to just do a curly line there. And I'm going to curl up like that. And if you need to pause the video at any time, feel free to do that. And then I'm going to draw hearts on top. So, boop. Got a cute little heart antenna. And the spots are also going to be little hearts. So I'm just going to draw some hearts in here, just like if you would draw spots, like on a ladybug. I'm just going to draw some hearts instead. Might draw one more up here, like that. There you go. Then I'm also going to do the eyes. So how I do the eyes, and you don't have to do it this way, I just do it this way, is do a line and a curve, curve, and a line. And then now I'm also going to draw a cute little smiley face. I do like a little side smiley face like this. That's what I like. Okay, awesome. Now we're ready to color our love bug. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you had so much fun drawing this love bug. For how to draw pages and coloring pages, you can always visit my website, CarolynCassidyArt.com. You can also check out my book, How to Draw a Little Bit of Everything, a fun drawing book for kids by me, Carolyn Cassidy, on Amazon.com. I hope you have a great day. Bye.